Tea number 6, Alfalfa Tea. This tea comes from Southwest Asia and is cultivated globally because of its rich nutrients. This tea is rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, iron, zinc, silica, biotin, and folate. This tea stimulates hair growth. Biotin and folate help create new hair cells. This tea also improves the hair thickness. So if you're looking to thicken up your strands, then you might want to opt for alfalfa tea. This is because it has a high mineral content that supports strong, resilient strands. And the next point, you've probably guessed it, because it helps with making your strands more resilient, it is great for preventing breakage. The iron and the silica strengthen the hair shaft from within, so it's doing a great work inside and then it can be seen on the outside. Tea number 7, hibiscus. If you don't know, I have a video where I show you how to make your very own hibiscus tea, so do check that out. Hibiscus, and if you want to find out more about the benefits of hibiscus, ensure you check out my video where I discuss some of the best oils, or some oils, plants and herbs that can be found across Africa that are excellent for the health of your natural hair. Number 7, hibiscus tea. This tea can be found in Africa, Southeast Asia. It's rich in vitamin C, iron, amino acids, and has several antioxidants. Some of the benefits include encourages fast hair growth. Vitamin C improves collagen formation and blood circulation to follicles. Prevents premature graying. So if you can see, oh, there's a bit of grey here, this potentially can prevent that. It also conditions the hair. Hibiscus petals help with moisture retention and softness. A little tip, hibiscus tea or the paste is excellent as a deep conditioning hair mask. I might try this. I've noticed quite a few naturals with very long hair that reside in Africa. They incorporate this into their hair regime and their hair is absolute goals. Tea number 8, horsetail tea. This tea can be found in Europe, Asia, North America. It's rich in silica, iron, zinc, vitamin C, and calcium. Some of the benefits include it strengthens the strands. The silica rebuilds collagen and improves elasticity. It reduces breakage, reinforcing the hair shaft for longer, thicker hair, and it adds shine. Tea number 9, peppermint tea. Native to Europe and the Middle East, and it also can be found in several other parts of the world. This tea is rich in vitamin A, iron, magnesium, antioxidant. Some of the benefits include it stimulates hair growth. Peppermint oil as well as the tea improve blood circulation from the scalp, encourages faster hair growth. Studies even show peppermint extract can stimulate hair growth compared to minoxidil without harsh effects. I have been using peppermint oil in my hair regime on and off for several years. I do have a hair growth oil where I include this oil and I have found it does wonders to my hair. This tea helps balance scalp oils. Its antimicrobial cooling properties help cleanse pores, controls dandruff and reduces itchiness. I found this as well throughout the course of my natural hair journey. If my hair is feeling quite irritable, I opt for peppermint oil. The tea is also great because it just soothes and cools the scalp. It also strengthens the follicles. Vitamin A and iron support healthy follicles and sebum balance. It also adds freshness and shine. Tea number 10. Here's the tea on the 10th tea. Redbush tea. Native in a certain part in the Cederberg Mountains of South Africa, also known as rooibos, meaning redbush, is a caffeine-free herbal tea made with a unique legume-like shrub. This tea is rich in zinc, iron, copper, magnesium, calcium, potassium, and antioxidants. Small amounts of vitamin C and traces of minerals that support hair growth. Some of the benefits include promote stronger, thicker hair. Zinc and copper help reduce keratin, and this helps maintain the structural protein in hair. This is an excellent tea for preventing shedding. I've actually used red bush here and there, and I can attest to this. I think my sister as well, Rhoda, can attest to this. And it tastes great. It's not too bad. I know some people take red bush if they're trying to, reduce the amount of caffeine intake. So this might be a good one for you. But yeah, it prevents shedding. The iron and the antioxidants help support healthy red blood cells and oxygen flow to the follicles. It also improves shine and the softness of your hair. Red bush antioxidant compounds neutralize free radicals, keeping strands smooth and vibrant. And the last but not least, this hair smooths scalp irritation. It's naturally anti-inflammatory, which is great for sensitive scalp or dry scalp. So tips on using teas for your natural hair. So try to drink maybe 1 or 2 cups of these teas mentioned, or once a week. You can do a thing where you make one of these teas and spray it on your hair from root to tip, tip to root. Guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned something. Please ensure you share this video with at least one friend. Have a good day. Ray.